Alright, there's three things when I'm taking this course that I not really ran into a problem with, but just wanted to clarify for anybody else taking this course. The first thing, when I downloaded Cam Studio is the program that I chose for the screen recordings. You have to make sure to click on Options and make sure that the Record Audio from Microphone is checked. A couple of the first times when I did it, it said do not record audio, and I went all the way through actually the entire process, and I realized at the end that the audio wasn't on, so I had to go back and do it over again. That wasn't fun. So that was one thing. The second thing is if you're using a screen recording program, make sure that you're pointing with the cursor to what you're talking about. Like right now I'm in Excel. If I was talking about cell D7, I just want to make sure that either D7 is highlighted or the cursor is pointing to that right over here. If I'm talking about cell C12, then make sure I click on C12 and make sure it's highlighted. I find that sometimes my mind wanders a little bit when I'm talking about this, talking about the different screen recordings, and what I'm talking about is not even close to what I'm pointing to on the screen. So you just have to be aware of that. Also, one thing that I want to do as well is you can use the zoom feature in order just to kind of make things a little bit bigger for the students, just in case their resolution on their screens or the resolution from the videos, wherever they get them from, isn't perfectly clear. Like I like to embed my videos onto my Moodle site. Sometimes the resolution, depending on what browser you're looking at, is not as clear as what it could be. So if I just zoom in right here, to 130%. See, it makes it a little bit bigger, and that way then the kids should be able to see it a little bit more clearly. Now, it might be a little difficult, like if I click on another tab that I have here, because I have so much information. That might make it a little bit more difficult to zoom, and I probably can't zoom in this setting. But I'll try to kind of find the happy medium with that. If it is a smaller, if it's not a lot of information on the screen, I can be able to zoom in. Otherwise, I just have to pay more particular attention to what exactly I'm pointing at and what exactly I'm talking about.